guys, it's Ashley with Dancing in the Kitchen, and today I'm here with Dr. Iris. Dr. Iris is a chiropractor, and we are at her home in Ogden Valley, Utah, for a special little segment called Eat the Rainbow with Dr. Iris. We are doing a series on eating the rainbow, getting all that nutrition from all those colorful phytonutrients, and today we are walking to the farmer's market where we're going to get some fresh fruits and vegetables.
And mushrooms. We're gonna go see the mushroom guy.
So we will check you there.
I heard he's a fun guy.
He is a fun guy.
It's how you seize the day, it's how you run the show.
You guys haven't figured it out by now. Iris has a dirty mind.
I think it's very clean, actually. I'm gonna teach you how to do it.
It's within your power, so continue to dream. Dream, dream. I always knew there was something bigger for me, to live out loud and reach my destiny. I open my eyes to a world I create. Believe.
What you have there, Ashley? Yum! Organically grown at the farmer's market here in Ogden.
Stamp on it. Opportunities come and go. It's how you see it. So keep it alive. Keep it together. The light in your eyes will keep shining forever. Just reach to the stars and you can have everything. It's within.
This is a whole milk Greek yogurt that's very delicious, and it's made with grass-fed beef, and it's organic.
Keep it together. The light in your eyes will keep.
I'm just making sure it's not a little bit.
So this one has sunflower oil. We don't want sunflower oil. We want to have,
The only oils that are really good for us are coconut oil, you can do ghee, olive oil, avocado oil. You want your oil to come from a fruit versus a seed. This brand here is really great because avocado oil, you look at the ingredients, organic avocado oil, organic coconut oil, and Himalayan salt. And that salt is really good for you because it's very rich in minerals.
Amazing.
So we have all these different flavors. So you just have to read the labels. Do you think sweet potato puffs? This could be a nice alternative to maybe Cheetos or something. So if you would go to the ingredients,
sunflower oil, another bad oil. Vegan, cheddar seasoning, sunflower oil again. You know, so we want to be very careful to read our labels.
this like could be, everybody might think that this is like a healthy option, but it's again with seed oils. These seaweed snacks, if you look at the label, they have as one of our top ingredients seaweed and canola oil, sesame oil. Canola oil is so bad. This actually comes from a seed from a plant called rape seed. These are the seaweed snacks that people really love. And they have different flavors. And these are made with avocado oil and sea salt. You know, so if we go to the ingredients, it's seaweed, avocado oil, and sea salt. See, this brand is very straightforward and a very good healthy option.
Hello. Hi, Iris and I are here getting all pampered and pretty so that we have nice hands when we're preparing food for you.
Pedicure.
We finished our mani-pedi and we have pretty nails, mermaid nails for Iris. And we just had a yummy vegan lunch and some matcha lavender lattes here at Kappa in Ogden.
all organic and vegan, super delicious.
And we've been doing a little planning and pre-production for Iris's segments on the show.
Oh, what are we gonna call it?
We're gonna call it Eat the Rainbow with Iris.
Yes.
And your name means rainbow, right?
Yes, my name does mean rainbow. The goddess of the rainbow.
And she definitely has the goddess vibes. I loved how you had like a blend of different flavors, and eating the rainbow, you really get so much variety. Make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the Dancing in the Kitchen merch. It's all in the description below. Thank you to Dr. Iris for being with us today. And we will see you back here next time on Dancing in the Kitchen, and be well until then.
Get up, dance, forget.